Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and today's day 5. Whee! We're still keeping it strong. We dressed up from yesterday's outfit, and my shoe, I can't lift it up because, well, but yeah, so today's task is making a control journal. I will be honest with you guys, this is like the most challenging challenge I have ever had, because one, I'm not a kind of journal person. I'm not the kind of person who writes down their morning routines, CG their what. So this is gonna be a tricky one. It's gonna be a hard one. But I hope we'll manage to do it anyway. Then yeah, so that is what we're going to do today. Everything else today, I'm not going to show you every other thing because I feel like it's gonna take too much time. So I'm just going to go direct into making the control journal. And yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Again, coming back to my channel to watch my content means a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new here, if it's the first time seeing me, karibu sana, thank you for joining me. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope by the end of it, or halfway through, or even right now, you consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Maybe watch another video on my channel, and yeah, a girl will appreciate it. Yeah, so with me to make the journal is some sticky notes, some colored sticky notes. And this is not a tutorial on how to make your control journal, please. Just doing what I think I will do. I have so many colored pencils over here. Yeah, and then I have my very simple notebook. The Flylady suggests that you use what are they calling it? Sort of like a spring file. I'll put it somewhere here so that you can see what I mean. I don't think I will do that because, well, I don't even know what to do with such a big thing anyway. So I'll use my notepad and then I'll divide it into sections, maybe put up my routine, morning routine, afternoon routine, evening routine, and then I'll go day by day on the things that I'm supposed to do on particular days, just to get my life a little bit more organized and on paper. And I'm going to use my colored sticky notes to make it more colorful, to make it more nice. And I'll DIY some patterns over here to stick on the book just to make it more colorful. And yeah, I have a ruler over here to make the work neater, and an eraser just in case we mess things up. Yeah, so that is what I'm about to do. So I don't think I will show you step by step because it's not a tutorial. Maybe I can just time lapse you as I do this, and then boom, I'll show you the end results. Okay, as usual, my guest over here, I don't think you can see him. Yeah, he just seated over here. Hi baby. Hi Bojo. Good job. How are you? Yeah, so there he is. And yeah, so let me put you down as I sit on the floor as well, and we do this thing very fast. Okay? Yeah.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Okay, so I'm finally done, though much later. and this is what I managed to come up with. Don't judge. I did my best. I hope you do better than me anyways, but I generally just put down my routines, you'll see. Just bear with me. I hope you don't judge me. Anyway, so this is how my journal looks. This is the cover page. I tried to make it pretty by putting some flowers and some art. I have my morning routine. I won't go into details, but it's basically dress to the shoe, feed the baby, drink water, 2 minutes hotspot, breakfast. Here I am yet to establish what else to do because we're not done with the Flylady, program and everything. And then on this page, I did my afternoon routine. Don't judge. Like I said, I was using my baby's crayons and they were like they can transfer from this page to this page, and I didn't know. I've seen it much later. Anyway, this is my before bed routine. So yeah, and then over here I tried to be an artist again, just to break the pages between my routines and my weekly plan. So for my weekly plan, here is it. So Sunday, I'll pretty much do my usual Sunday reset and skincare, groom my sons, especially Ty for the school on Monday and stuff like that. Then cut the fingernails for Trevor, nini, yani kuwashughulikia tu. Then Monday will be the day that I bless my home. This is because I'll be more energized and everything. So it includes things like changing your sheets, cleaning the fridge. So when I clean up my fridge, I know what food items are there, what can be repurposed for the week menu and stuff. Then I can also be able to prepare my grocery list and then check my budget for the week and do a menu prep, which we have already done. If you haven't watched my weekly meal plan, you can check it out here. I leave it above. And then on Tuesdays, that is when I'll run my errands, mostly buy the groceries from here and then do a meal prep if it's necessary. Sometimes I don't find it necessary. Then on Wednesday, it's my free day. This is the day that I'll edit videos from the previous days if I'm to post a video, then do my usual routines, and yeah, but nothing other than that. Thursdays is my clean out days. This is where I'll clean out my phone, generally take the garbage out, just declutter. Friday is the zone cleaning days. So zone cleaning, we'll see this in another video on how you divide your rooms into different zones, and then you work for each zone per week for 15 minutes each day. It's a really nice thing. Then on Saturdays is my family day, game night and stuff. Friday is still movie night with Ty. So yeah, that is my weekly plan. So this again is my weekly menu. If you haven't watched it, you please watch it. So what we do here is you put your menu or your meal for each day, and then the ingredients that you need for those meals. Once you do that, then you're able to look at this plan every meal prep day, and then you know what is there, what is not there, and you can be able to shop for what isn't there, you get. So basically that's it. So next month when we do a different meal prep, meal plan, I'm going to change this up just so that it can work for that week. Then we have our cleaning zones. This is where I got tired and I couldn't continue anymore. But basically I divide my house into 5 zones. So for those zones, then I'm supposed to clean each zone per week. So for 5 weeks in a month, you get. So zone 1 is the entrance way, or you can do it per day. So the fact that I'm doing it on a Friday means I'll be doing it once a week. So the zone 1 is the entrance way, just outside the door, the corridor there, where we place our shoes, nini. So you clean the wall, you clean the window that is around there, the shoe rack, if you have a shoe rack out there, like that. Then there's the kitchen. There's a day when you clean out the kitchen, deep cleaning, pantry, you organize, check for expiry dates of foods and stuff, blah blah blah, all that. And then bathroom and toilet is my zone 3, and then the extra bedroom in the house, just to dust it and make sure everything is in order. I haven't written all that down, but I know it in my head, so I'll do it tomorrow. And yeah, so this is zone 4. Zone 4 is my master bedroom and my closets. So that too, you set a day aside and just do it. Don't take out too much from maybe the closets that you can't be able to put back. You just take out whatever you think you can manage to do within an hour. Yeah, an hour. This is not 15 minutes. I think this is an hour's. So zone cleaning takes an hour per week. So then the living room is the last room. Definitely it gets cleaned every day in the routines and everything, but for a deep clean you do it once a week. You know, go through the windows, the curtains, the nini, you remove the couch covers, you vacuum, all that. So yeah, then my final page of my control journal is my home projects. So these are the things that I plan to do this year. I need to do a kitchen makeover, a hallway makeover, decor bedroom makeover, entryway makeover, buy a shoe rack, bathroom revamp, curtains, carpet, and a lot more that I haven't put down, but that is it, basically it. And then last but not least is my personal section. So these two I haven't put anything, mostly because these are my personal goals. I don't feel like I want to share them with, you know, the world, but all it entails is my monthly goals. Every month, what do I want? Maybe lose weight at a certain point, how many kgs, eat better, go for more work, start working out, blah blah blah. Then habits of the month: drink water, yoga, meditate, blah blah blah. Gratitude list, this is the one I'll be doing at the end of the month. Just what am I grateful for? Some people do it weekly, so I'll have a daily one on my phone, but this one is generally for the last. I'll personalize this journal as much as I can, but for now, that is what I have, and I hope you have learned something. Yeah, if you do manage to make your own control journal, just let me know down below, and then I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, Aki, please make a point of subscribing and tell a friend to tell a friend, and then we continue this journey together. I'm really tired. Oh my god.